Okay, so nandito na naman tayo muli sa ating topic on related rates. So this is the application of the derivatives or in the differential calculus. So the problem says that the woman jogging, so a woman jogging at a constant rate of 10 km per hour crosses a point P heading north. 10 minutes later, a man jogging at a constant rate of 9 km per hour crosses the same point heading east. How fast is the distance between the joggers changing 20 minutes after the man crosses P? So, ibig sabihin, yung tinatanong dito is how fast the distance in relevance to the time of 20 minutes after the man crosses. So, kung 20 minutes after the man crosses the point P, so ibig sabihin, yung travel time ni woman is 30 minutes. 30 minutes kasi nauna siya ng 10 minutes kay man. 'Di ba? Unang tumakbo si woman. Unang tumakbo si woman, dikan after 10 minutes, saka pa lang tumakbo si lalaki, yung man. 'Di ba? So ibig sabihin, kung 20 minutes yung si man, walang problema kasi 20 minutes lang yung actual travel time niya dito sa tinatanong. Pero si woman, 20 minutes plus 10 minutes kasi tumakbo na siya ng 10 minutes. 'Di ba? Bago tumakbo si man. Okay? So yun yung magiging natin. Kasi na-delay kasi yung takbo ni man dito, hindi sila magkasabay. So ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So this is the point P, this is the north, and this is the east. Okay, so from point P, tatakbo muna si woman ng 10 km per hour. Tatakbo muna siya, si woman, papuntang north kasi yung sabi dito, papuntang north. After 10 minutes, saka pa lang tatakbo si man. So, yun yung nangyari sa kanyang illustration. So, ibig sabihin, tatakbo talaga si woman ng a total time of 30 minutes. Pero dito si man is, yung total takbo niya is, pa lang is 20 minutes. Okay, so, ganyan yung ating magiging scenario. So, ito yung hinahanap. How fast is the distance between the joggers changing 20 minutes after the man crosses P? So, sabihin natin this is X and this is Y. And this is Z. Sabihin natin. So, the given is the dx dito kay man. Diba? Sa dx over dt, that is 9 km per hour. And then dy, sabihin kasi natin ito dy. Hindi natin nalagay dyan. This is y. That is dy dt is equal to 10 km per hour. Dito to kay woman. So, sabihin natin this is z. So, 1 is the dz over dt. 20 minutes after this man crosses the point P. Okay? So, solution. From the Pythagorean theorem, kasi makagagawa tayo ng triangle, di ba? Ito yung triangle. Ito yung triangle. So, from the Pythagorean theorem, this is a hypotenuse. Z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared from that hypotenuse. So, derive natin to. I-derive natin to ng 2z dz dt is equal to 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy dt. So, tanggalin natin itong mga 2. Itong value ng 2 kasi makakancel out yan eh. Cancel to. Kasi pag ibinaba mo to, makakancel silang lahat yung 2. Yan. Diba? Kasi pag itira mo lang yung dz, kasi yung hanapin natin is dz over dt. So, bababa naman itong 2z all over 2z. So, makakancel din yung 2. Okay? So, ganyan yung mangyayari na sa kanya. Yan. Sinubstitute ko na yung value ni dx dt. Yung dx natin is ito. Yung dx over dt is equal to this one. So, ito yan. So, matitira dito is x and then dx dt, which is the value of 9. Kaya naging 9x. Yung dy dt naman is ito. Yung dy dt is ito yung value natin. So, meron pa dito natitira na y. That's why yung equation natin is magiging 10y. Okay? So, ganun yung pag i-analyze natin. Okay, so baba natin yung z. So, dz over dt is equal to 9x plus 10y over z. So, yun na yung magiging equation natin para makuha natin itong dz over dt 20 minutes after. Okay? So, computein muna natin yung value kasi yung hanap natin dito is x kasi wala tayong value ni x, wala tayong value ni y, at saka wala tayong value ni z. So, si x is sabihin natin from the formula of the distance, diba? From the distance or the time rates is equal to the velocity or the rate times time. Diba? Kasi si x dito is x, y, and z is representing the distance of each. Diba? Yun yung magiging from the formula of the distance or time rates. So, ito yung mangyayari sa kanya. That our x is equal to the 9. Diba? 9 yung time niya. 9 kilometers yung rate niya. 9 kilometers per hour times 20 minutes. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin dito na 20 minutes. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo ng value ni x ng 9. Siyempre, yung value ni 9 is kilometer per hour. So, itong 20 minutes, we need to convert this one into hours. So, that's why, makukuha natin dito yung 1/3. So, 20 minutes is equal to 1/3 hours. Okay? Kinonvert kasi natin yung 20 minutes into hours. So, we will get the value of 3 kilometer. Ito yung value ni x. Isa-substitute natin yan dito mamaya sa x. So, how about kay y? Si y naman is 10 times 10 minutes plus 20 minutes. Kasi yung travel time ni woman is 10 minutes kasi nauna siya kay man ng 10 minutes plus 20 minutes. Diba? So, mayroon siyang 30 minutes. So, yung rate naman niya is 10 km per hour. So, yung 30 minutes, that is equal to 1/2 hours. Okay? So, that's why 1/2 dito yung ilalagay natin. So, that's why we have the answer of y is equal to 5 kilometers. Yun yung naman, isa-substitute natin dito kay y. How about for z? So, mayroon tayong Pythagorean theorem na makukuha natin kay z. So, ito yung magiging 3x squared plus 5 squared. Z is the square root of 34 kilometers. So, substitute natin yung mga values na nakuha natin kay x, ito kay y, ito kay z. So, makukuha natin dito is dz over dt is 77 over the square root of 34 or 13.21 km per hour. Okay? So, ganun yung pagsasolve natin. So, kung duda kayo sa unit, so solve natin ito. Yung unit neto is kilometer. Ito, ano yung magiging unit nito? Is in kilometer per hour. So, ito, kilometer. So, magka-cancel yung kilometer per hour pa din yung matitira. Kasi, depende, dyan yung nagiging unit natin eh. Yung unit neto is in kilometer. Diba? Kilometer. Tapos, itong 9 is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Tapos, ito, the square root of 34 is in terms of kilometer. So, cancel ngayon itong kilometer. So, matitira pa rin kilometer per hour. So, this is our answer for this problem. So, medyo interesting itong problem na to kasi, di ba, hindi sabay yung time nila eh. Yun yung nagiging problema dito sa ating sa problem na ito. Kasi yun yung ginawang twist niya, yung 10 minutes later or 10 minutes, actually 10 minutes after ni Woman, saka pa lang tatakbo. Yan, yun yung mangyayari. Yung mga ganun, yung mga types na problem na magaganda.